Now open your EVS notebook and write date at here and CW this side. Now write heading with me. Parents, please help your child to do write date, CW and heading. Ready? Okay. W A T E R water. Once again, W A T E R water. Animals. A N I M A L S. Animals. A N I N E M A L S. Animals. Water animals. Now put number 1 at here. We will draw a duck. First, draw a small circle. Now a big circle. V for van at here and 1 at here. Draw one eye and draw like this. Draw water at here. What is this? This is a duck. What is this? This is a duck. What is the spelling of duck? Good. D U C K. Duck. Once again, D U C K. Duck. Your turn. Good. Now write again at here. D U C K. Duck. Now put number 2 at here. We will draw a frog. It's very easy. Draw an oval. 2 big eyes. Mouth. 2 and make 2 legs. This is a frog. What is this? This is a frog. What is the spelling of frog? Yes, well done. Now write with me. F R O G. Frog. Learn this spelling. F R O G. Frog. Now I am putting dot at here. You will write frog spelling at here. Now number 3. Fish. Draw an oval. 1 triangle at here. 1 fin at here and 1 at here. Mouth. Eyes. Make water and some air bubble. What is this? This is a fish. What is this? This is a fish. What is the spelling of fish? Very good. Now write with me. F I S H. Fish. Once again, F I S H. Fish. Your turn. Good. Now write at here once again. Now put number 4. We will draw a starfish. It's very easy. Draw a triangle at here. Now V for van at here. Joint it. Make it face and do like this. What is this? This is starfish. What is this? This is starfish. What is the spelling of starfish? Excellent. Now write with me. S T A R star, F I S H fish, starfish. S T A R star, F I S H fish, starfish. S T A R star, F I S H fish, starfish. Now write at here once again. Next, put number 5. We will draw it here jellyfish. It's easy. Draw like this. Now its face. Now some line like this. What is this? This is jellyfish. What is this? This is jellyfish. What is the spelling of jellyfish? Excellent. Now write with me. J E double L Y, jelly. Fish, F I S H, fish, jellyfish. Once again, J E double L Y, jelly. F I S H, fish, jellyfish. Now write at here once again. Next number is number 6. We will draw an octopus. Draw like this. Now octopus has 8 arms. Draw its 8 arms like this and count it in your mind. Now its face. This is an octopus. What is this? This is an octopus. What is this? This is an octopus. What is the spelling of octopus? Well done. Now write with me. O C T O, octo. P U S, pus, octopus. Once again, O C T O, octo. P U S, pus, octopus. Your turn. Good. Now write at here. Now put number 7 at here. We will draw a dolphin. It's very easy. Okay. First draw like this. Now its tummy. Now like this. Its fins, its eye. What is this? This is dolphin. What is this? This is dolphin. What is the spelling of dolphin? Good. Now write with me. D O L, doll. P-H-I-N, fin, dolphin. Once again, D-O-L, doll, P-H-I-N, fin. Your turn. Good. Now write at here. Next number is number 8. We will draw a turtle at here. It's very easy. Draw like this. Now its face, its tail, 4 legs, eyes, mouth. Draw some line like this and cut it. What is this? This is a turtle. What is this? This is a turtle. What is the spelling of turtle? Very good. Now write with me. T-U-R, tur, T-L-E, tull, turtle. Once again, T-U-R, tur, T-L-E, tull, turtle. Now you will write it here. After doing the work, send to me. I will give you beautiful stickers. Bye. Have a nice day.